welcome back to another video. So I'm just bringing you guys along for the day. I basically went to Pilates this morning. I didn't get any videos of that. It's a new studio, or a studio that I'm trying out, and I'm thinking of doing a 2-week challenge. So 2 weeks of Pilates, see how my body adapts to it, see how I like it. Keep an eye out for if I make a video on that. Have some lunch. Pretty sure I showed you guys, but it's just olive, roast chicken, rocket, onion, a roast pepper dressing, pesto thing, sun-dried tomatoes, cucumber, salt and pepper. So delicious. I do normally love the normal Fanta, but I saw this pineapple flavor. I've never noticed this before, but it is freaking delicious. You guys need to try this flavor. So good. Up here having lunch and watching a show, and I wanted a little treat. So I got this caramel koala. If you know, you know. An Australian classic. It is chef's kiss. Morning guys, it's the next day and I'm going to drive to the Gold Coast and go on a walk. So I'm in my gym clothes, and there's also these sandals that I want to pick up that are only in stock at Pacific Fair, which is on the Gold Coast as well. So perfect opportunity to go on a drive and do my favorite walk and get maybe a cheeky acai depending on how I feel, and enjoy the day because it is a beautiful day outside. So I'll bring you guys along and you can see what I get up to.